Hi everyone! Today we learn English with a story called The Lost Compass. Let us see what happens with Anna and Lily. Lily, do you have the map for our walk?
Yes, Mommy. But I cannot find the compass.
The compass? It was on the table this morning.
It is not here now. I am worried. Do not worry. We can look for it together.
Where did you play this morning?
I played in the garden with my toys.
Let us look under the big tree first.
I see my ball and my doll, but no compass.
Oh. Is it near the flower pots?
No, Mommy.
Oh, wait! I see something shiny in the grass.
Is it the compass?
No, it is just a small silver spoon.
Oh no! We really need the compass to find the way.
Let us think. Did you take it to the bedroom? Look under your bed, Lily. It is a good hiding place.
I see my slippers and a book. No compass.
Check the top of the desk. Is it behind the lamp?
No, Mommy. It is not here.
We need to think again. Where did we go after the garden?
Oh! We walked to the park to see the ducks.
That is right. Maybe you dropped it on the path.
Let us go to the park now. I want to find it.
Look carefully at the grass next to the path.
I am looking. I see a red leaf and a small stone.
Is that something round near the bench?
No. It is just a bottle cap.
We are at the park entrance. It is very big.
Mommy, look! There is a bird with something in its mouth.
It is a magpie. They like shiny things.
Does the magpie have our compass?
No, it has a piece of silver foil.
We sat here to eat our cookies this morning.
Check under the wooden bench near the water.
I see something.
What is it, Lily?
It is my yellow hair clip.
That is good to find, but we still need the compass.
Hello. Are you looking for this?
Look at that!
Wow.
Incredible! Oh, look at it! Is that our compass, Daddy?
Yes, it is. I found it in the kitchen this morning.
In the kitchen? But Lily said she played in the garden.
You left it near the fruit bowl. I put it in my pocket to keep it safe.
Oh, I remember now. I had a snack before going outside.
Here you go. Now we can start our walk.
Thank you, Daddy. You are my hero. Look, the needle is pointing north.
That is right. North is towards the tall mountains.
We need to go east to find the big waterfall.
Which way is east?
Turn right at the big rock. That is east.
I hear water. Is the waterfall near?
It is so beautiful here. The water is very white.
Can we sit and rest? I am a bit tired.
Of course. Let us sit on these flat stones.
Who wants an apple?
I do! Apples are my favorite fruit!
This was a great adventure, even without a lost compass.
I am glad we are all together.
Sharing time with family is the best thing.
Next time, I will be more careful with my things.
That is a good lesson, Lily.
Look, the sun is going down. It is time to go home.
I put it here now.
Good girl. Now it is safe for tomorrow.
Good night, everyone. Today was a lucky day.
Welcome back. Did you like the story of the lost compass? Lily learned a good lesson about keeping her things safe. Now let us review our preposition words. We used under, behind, and next to. Anna said, look under your bed. And check next to the flower pots. We also learned about directions: north, south, east, and west. A compass helps us find the way. North is always at the top. Practice these words when you look for things at home. You did a great job today. 15 minutes of English. Keep watching to learn more new words with me. Nature and family are very important. Thank you for joining us today. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.